Hi all, this is Shan. So today we are going to see how to browse images of moon which is publicly available from NASA. As you all know, NASA's LRO, which is also known as Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, has been orbiting around the moon for the last 11 plus years and has been capturing images of lunar surface from 2009. These images are publicly available in one of NASA's websites called LRO Quickmap. In today's episode, let us see how to browse through these images along with different map projection, as well as we will see the images of the Apollo landing site from the Quickmap. So first, let us go to the Quickmap link, so which is quickmap.lroc.asu.edu. So once you type this, you will get the quick map, which will have the moon in a globe projection actually. So as you see, quick map is getting loaded right now. So this is actually the images of moon that has been captured by NASA. So there are different projections which we can go through. So if you click on the top, the globe symbol on the top left, you will get different projections like equidistant cylinder projection, which is like a plain simple map, and stereographic projections of North Pole as well as South Pole. Then the far side projection as well as the near side projection. Then after that, we have also got orthographic projections of North Pole and South Pole. So first, let us see what is equidistant cylindrical projection. So equidistant cylindrical projection is nothing but it's very similar to what we see in Google Maps. So it is like the map that's being spread on a plain paper on a 2D dimension. So you can see both the far as well as near sides on it. So the far side starts somewhere from here and it goes till here, and same is the case here also. Then there are also projections of South Pole as well as North Pole. So let us see the stereographic projection of South Pole by clicking on it. So once you click on stereographic projection, the South Pole, only the South Pole will be displayed. So you can see the center of the South Pole, which is Shackleton crater, as well as you can see the Vikram's landing area also here. So this is stereographic projection of Moon's South Pole. The center of the South Pole is somewhere around here. Maybe you can zoom in and have a clear look at it. Whereas Vikram's landing site must be somewhere around here. To view the Vikram's landing site, go to stereographic projection of South Pole or orthographic projection of South Pole, and then click on the layers and click on anthropogenic features. So once you click on anthropogenic features, it will display the landing sites of spacecraft on Moon. Here you can see the Vikram's landing site actually. So here, and also you can see, if you wish, you can go to equidistant cylindrical projection and also can see the landing as well as crash sites of different spacecraft on the Moon. Now I have gone back to the equidistant cylindrical projection of the Moon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see the different landing sites as well as crash sites on the lunar surface near the equator of the Moon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the second option called layers, and on the overlays, I'm going to choose an option called anthropogenic features. So once you choose the anthropogenic features, you can see some small dots on the lunar surface. These small dots are nothing but they are either the landing sites of the different spacecraft, or even some of them will be the crash sites of the spacecrafts that has been sent by USSR and US as well as some of the other countries. So for example, if you scroll over here, this might be the Apollo 11 landing site. Yeah, as you see, this is Apollo 11 landing site. This is where Neil Armstrong as well as Aldrin first stepped on the moon. And if you scroll back, you'll be able to see different landing sites like the Ranger spacecrafts and Survey Fly spacecraft. And if you go up, you'll be able to see the Ranger as well as other Ranger missions also. So now let's look at the Apollo landing sites and let's go to the Apollo 17 landing site. So Apollo 17 landing site is somewhere around here. So you can see the latitude and longitude, it's displayed right at the bottom. So it's somewhere in the latitude of 20 degree and longitude of 30 degree. So this is the Apollo 17 landing site. So whatever you see right now is a very high resolution image, that is low resolution image, you can say it as. So this has been made by stitching together different images. So it might not be as minute as possible. So what you have to do is we have to do some other activities to see the images of the same area at different points of time. So now let's see how to go about that. So as you see, this is Apollo 17's landing site. Now you can select this Apollo 17 landing site to view images from the LRO spacecraft at different points of time, be it from 2010 or 2011. You can see those images. So all you have to do is click on Draw and Search tool and select the particular area of interest for which you have to view the images. In this case, our area of interest is the Apollo 17's landing site. Now I'm going to select the particular area. So I'm going to zoom in a little further and just select the LM module, which is still over there on the lunar surface. So it can be a square or it can be a polygon, like anything. So once you click on it, so you will get something like this. In this one, you have to search for the products. So there are different kind of products available from LRO. In this case, in this case, you have to view the images. So you have to just select NAC, which is nothing but narrow angle camera, which is on the LRO. So just select NAC. So you will have different images that has been taken over in the past 10 years. So you can use these filters to filter only high resolution images. So if you see the resolution of these images is from 0.48 to 1.39. So let us see only the high resolution images. So I have kept resolution filter as 0.48 to 0.54. So now let's just stick to the narrow angle camera of LRO and see those images. Just click on the first image. So if you see, it displays the descent module of Apollo 17, which is still there lying on the lunar surface. And you can also see the other images also. Now let us see the other images from our search. So this is another image of the same site. So if you see, this has been taken at a different incidence as well as different suns azimuth angle. So it will take a while to load. If your internet connection is good enough, then you'll be able to see it very quickly. My internet connection is kind of lagging, so I'm not able to view it right now. Yeah, it's loading right now. So this is from a different angle. So if you see between the first image and second image, this is entirely different. So now let us see the third image also. So this is also this was also taken when sun was at a different angle. So there are only very rare instances when there are two images that has been taken at the same angle with the same resolution. So this is actually the Apollo 17's descent model. And to view the images individually, all you have to do is just click on the image, and that will be a URL along with other details. Just click on this URL. There will be a new tab opening, and in the new tab, if you know very well where the Apollo 17 exactly landed, then you can just browse into that particular location. So I think it's actually between these two craters, I believe. I think it's between these two craters. Let us see whether I'm right or not. Yeah. So this is where Apollo 17 actually landed. So what you see right now is the Apollo 17's descent model, and you can also see the rover vehicle over here. and whatever you see like tracks is like of the rover vehicle, and you can see the tracks in different directions, in this direction as well as in this direction towards the massive. So this is how you can zoom in and zoom out of the images and see the images at a high clarity. So in this today's episode, we saw how to browse the images from Quickmap and how to view different projections like equidistant stereographic projections, and also how to go to a particular spot on moon and search for the images by using the search options like polygon, and view the narrow angle camera images from the LRO at different points of time. Thank you.